Hi guys, so today's video is about how to use airplane mode in the raids. So I'm gonna go in a raid just to show you. So for it not to take too long, I'm gonna put in a few low-end characters I have there. Just Alright, so the scheme is when you get inside the raid itself, the whole game is set on in your device, so it doesn't connect to EA anymore. So the only thing you have to do is turn on the airplane mode, so it switch off all internet links, and then you can keep on playing on your device. So I'll just hit yes for them to counter, and it's going to be faster. Alright, so when you lose, you have the message from the internet connection failure, meaning that the device cannot post your damage to EA servers. So if you didn't want to die or you want to restart, you can maybe kill the app, force kill the app, and then put back your turn off your airplane mode so you can turn on the game again. But if it is maybe a good try and you have a validation time, then you just leave it like that until you reach the time, and when you reach the time you just turn airplane mode back on like this, back off, sorry, and then and then it will post your damages in the game. So the good thing about that is that it provides you two things: the assurance not to die prematurely, and secondly, the ability to post the damage at a given time, which is better for when you're doing HAT, not to be in overkill. Alright, so I guess that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.